I'm Miss Dara from the Rogers Public Library, and today we're going to make some Floam. I love Floam. So we're going to do it a little bit different than I have in the past. So I'm going to be using clear glue today. So the first thing we want to do is just measure out. We're going to do 1/4 of a cup of clear glue. And it doesn't have to be exact. Get as much as you can out of there. And then we are going to put in a 1/8 cup of water. If I can get this open. I'm just filling half of this 1/4 cup. And we're going to stir that in. Then we are going to add, let me see, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And this is just baking soda in here. And you want to get most of the clumps out if you can. And you can dissolve this in warm water and it will make it a little bit less cloudy in the end, but I'm not going to worry about that. If you do dissolve it, you want to do that in warm water. But we're just going to try to stir it in the best we can. Okay, that's mostly stirred in. Okay, so we have some nice runny glue here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of, not water, contact solution. And so your contact solution, this is just a Equate multi-purpose solution, but you can use any contact solution, but you have to make sure it says in it that it's got boric acid. And so we are using just a little bit, so 2 teaspoons. And we're going to mix that in. And you'll see right away it starts forming the slime. So it's all come together really nicely. So if you've done slime before, you know clear glue slime is a little bit more sticky than slime you make with white glue. So, okay, we have a nice little blob of slime there. So I can touch it. I wouldn't want to pick it up per se because it would stick to me. Okay, so then we're going to start adding in our beads. So I got a bunch of different kinds of beads. So we can just add some of each color here. And Be careful when you're adding in the beads because they go everywhere. Put in some blue. And if you remember, we always go over our slime rules. So when you're making slime, you always want to make it somewhere in your house that you're not going to get it on things. So I like to make mine when I'm at home. I like to make it on the kitchen table. So I also have some bigger beads here. These are all just foam beads. Let's put some of these in. Okay. So you just start mixing that in. See, it's a little sticky. But the beads will help with that. You want it to be a little sticky so that the beads will stick in there. So we don't ever put slime on other people or on things that you don't want it to stick to. But if you do get this slime on something, then it will come out if you use vinegar. Okay, let's add in some more big ones. I like the difference of the big ones and the little ones all mixed in here together so that we have a nice multicolor slime. Let's add in some of these multicolor little ones. And you can add quite a bit into it before they start popping back out when you stretch it. This nice beads. So I also have, just to make it a little bit different today, I found these little bitty beads. So we're going to put some little bitty beads in it. And they kind of go everywhere when you open them, but it'll make it a little bit different. Okay, so now we have big beads and little beads in our slime. So that's how you make a little bit different kind of foam. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.